Hello friends, welcome to the video lecture series of partial differentiation. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss Jacobians. This Jacobian is what? Jacobian is nothing but the determinant of partial derivatives, and it has lot of application in union. If u is equal to f1 xy, v is equal to f2 xy, means u and v are functions of x and y. U and v are functions of x and y. Then the Jacobian of u and v with respect to x and y is written and defined like this. The j I am using for Jacobian is uppercase letter j. J is equal to del uv by del xy. In this way you can read it, del uv by del xy. And what is meaning of it? The Jacobian of uv with respect to x and y, and how it is defined: the determinant of the first row for u and second row for v with respect to x and y. Similarly, for three variables, u is a function of xyz, v function of xyz, w is a function of xyz. Then Jacobian of uvw with respect to xyz can be written like this: del uvw by del xyz means determinant of first row for u, second row for v, and third row for w. And the Jacobian of xy by uv, how do you write? They replace u by x and x by y like that. Jacobian of xy by uv and del x by del u, del x by del v, del y by del u, del y by del v like that. Just very quickly, and all these definitions also important for examination. No? In examination, the MCQ may be asked on it. First problem, u is equal to x square plus y square, v is equal to xy. Then del uv by del xy I want. So del uv by del xy, how do you find? Del uv by del xy is what? It is the determinant of first row for u, second row for w, second row for v, second row for v. Okay, this is the definition of Jacobian. Now, the determinant del u by del x means partial derivative of u with respect to x keeping y constant. Derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of y square 0. Del u by del y, derivative of u with respect to y is 2u, derivative of x square is 0. Del v by del x, derivative of v with respect to x is y, and derivative of v with respect to y is x. And you can easily solve this determinant. Product of these two, 2x into x is 2x square, minus product of these two terms, 2y square. 2 is common, and x square minus y square. Therefore, this is the value of Jacobian uv with respect to x and y. In examination, you may be asked Jacobian of xy by uv. The Jacobian of xy by uv will be what? 1 divided by 2 into x square minus y square. Okay, and if x is equal to u into 1 minus v, y equal to u into v, then Jacobian of uv with respect to xy. Here we are discussing the Jacobian of explicit function. Here u and v are not given explicitly in terms of x and y, but x and y are given explicitly in terms of u and v. Therefore, here it will be better to find out Jacobian of xy by uv I am going to find. Why? Because x and y are given in terms of u and v. So this is asked, but this I am going to find. So by definition, first row for x, second row for y. Okay. Now, del x by del u is what? Derivative of x. What is x here? X is u minus u. Multiply by u. The derivative of x with respect to u is what? 1 minus v. Derivative of x with respect to v is what? Minus u. Derivative of y with respect to u is what? V. Derivative of y with respect to v is u. Now, the product of these two is u multiplied by 1 is u into this is like this, minus product of these two is what? Minus uv. Here plus uv and minus uv gets cancelled, so u is remaining. But what is u here? U is Jacobian of xy with respect to u and v. But we want Jacobian of uv with respect to xy. So it will be what? 1 divided by Jacobian of xy with respect to u. And this is value of this is what? Value of this Jacobian is what? U. Means answer to this is what? 1 by u. Here x and y are expressed in terms of u and v. Therefore, it is convenient to find out Jacobian of x and y with respect to u and v. And eventually what we are doing, I am taking reciprocal of it. Means del uv by del x I want, this can be written like this. This product of these two Jacobian is 1 onwards. If J is the Jacobian, and J dash is a multiplicative inverse of it, then its product is always 1. So this is our J and this is our J dash, you can say. J into J dash equal to 1. Now, the same problem, del uv by del xy. See here, u and v are expressed in terms of x and y. So it is very simple to find out Jacobian of uv with respect to xy. By definition, determinant del u by del x, del u by del y, now del v by del x and del v by del y. Is it? Partial derivative of u with respect to x is 2x, derivative of u with respect to y is minus 2y, derivative of v with respect to x is 2y, and derivative of v with respect to x is what? Y is what? 2x. So this is what now? This is 4x square minus plus 4y square. So 4 times x square plus y square is what? It is a Jacobian of u and v with respect to x and y. And the Jacobian of x and y with respect to, it is also asked here, is what? Product of these two is 1. Means this can be written as 1 by 4x square plus y square. Okay, there are 2 Jacobians we found. Next problem, if x equal to uv, y equal to u by v, then Jacobian of u and v with respect to x and y. See, u and v are not directly given in terms of x and y. So you can express u and v in terms of x and y. So why it is required? Okay, without doing that you can solve the problem. U, v are not given in terms of x and y, but x and y are given in terms of u and v. Therefore, I am going to find out Jacobian of x and y with respect to u and v. By definition, first row for x, second row for x, second row for y, now del x by del u is what v, del x by del v is what u, then del y by del u, derivative of y with respect to u is 1 by v, and derivative of y with respect to v, keeping u constant, u is constant, derivative of 1 by is minus 1 by u square. Therefore, I am writing directly, product of these two will be minus of u by v, because v gets cancelled, minus product of these two is what? U by v. Means it is what? Minus 2u by v. And what will be the value of del uv by del xy? Del xy by del uv is minus 2u by v. Therefore, del uv by del xy will be what? V by 2u. V by 2u with minus. Okay. Now, fifth one. Here u, v, w are the functions of x, y, z, and del u, v, w by del x, y, z we want. So by definition of the Jacobian, normally in the examination, the 3 variable problems will be less likely to be asked. Three variable problems. Okay, because it requires more time. That's why, or more steps to solve. Therefore, this is less likely to be solved. Therefore, only one problem I am going to take on this. By definition, first row for U, second row for V, and third row for W. Third row for W. This is W, no? Now, take derivatives very carefully because 9 derivatives are required. Derivative of u with respect to x is 1, derivative of u with respect to y is 1, derivative of u with respect to z is 1, derivative of v with respect to x is 1, derivative of v with respect to y is 1, derivative of v with respect to z is 0, derivative of w with respect to x is 1, derivative of w with respect to y is 0, derivative of w with respect to z is 1. Now try to simplify it. Try to simplify this determinant. I am going to simplify it 1 and multiply with this minor. Leave this row and column. 1 minus 0 is like this. Minus by default 1, second element. Minor of 1 I am going to write. Leave this column and row. 1 into 1 is 1 minus 0 is 1. This one, leave this column and row. 0 minus of 1, 0 minus 1. Here 1 minus 1 and minus 1. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So minus 1 is the Jacobian of del u v w by del x y. Okay, very simple function is given. And the determinant we have calculated, we got x is this, y is this, then del xy by del uv I want, del xy by del uv. By definition, first row for x, second row for y, putting value of the derivative del x by del u is derivative of u with respect to derivative of x with respect to u, keeping v constant. Derivative of sec u is what? Sec u into tan u. Now, del x by del v. Derivative with respect to v. Derivative of e raised to v is same. Sec u is multiplicative constant. Derivative of y with respect to u. E raised to v is constant. Derivative of tan u is sec square u. Derivative of y with respect to v. E raised to v derivative is e raised to v and tan u is multiplicative constant. Now try to simplify. Try to solve this determinant. Product of these two will be what? E raised to power 2v, e raised to v into e raised to v. We don't have sufficient space here, therefore writing directly sec u into tan square u minus product of these two is e raised to 2v sec u into sec square u. Now, e raised to 2u is common. Again, sec u is also common. I am writing sec u here. I have taken common. Tan square u minus sec square u is remaining. Sec u is as it is. E raised to 2u is as it is. And tan square u minus sec square u formula. Sec square minus tan square is 1. Therefore, tan square minus sec square is minus 1. Minus of sec u into e raised to 2u, it is v. E raised to 2v is common. E raised to 2v is common. Sec u into e raised to 2v with minus sign is the value of this Jacobian. Now, very quickly, del xy by del r theta I am going to find. By definition, first row for x, second row for y, Now take derivative of x with respect to r, keeping theta constant. Derivative of r is 1, cos theta is remaining. Derivative of x with respect to theta, r is constant. Derivative of cos is minus sign. Derivative of y with respect to r, derivative of r is 1 and sin theta is as it is. Derivative of y with respect to theta, r is multiplicative constant and derivative of sin is cos. Have a multiplication r cos square theta minus r sin square theta. Then r is common, cos square plus sin square is 1 and the value of this Jacobian is r. Now, coming to the Jacobian of implicit function. In Jacobian of implicit function, this formula are important because there are less chances that the problem will be asked on Jacobian of implicit function in the examination. Here, f1 is implicit function of xy ub, f2 is implicit function of 2 by 2 variable, it is xy ub. Then Jacobian of u and v with respect to x and y is what? Minus 1 square. It is 2 by 2, therefore square is there. For 3 by 3, the minus 1 power 3. The minus 1 square is what? 1. And minus 1, if you don't write, it is also okay. But this is the formula, that's why I have written minus 1 to the power 2. So what is Jacobian of this thing? Del f1 f2 by del xy. This is the Jacobian of f1 f2 with respect to x and y divided by Jacobian of f1 f2 with respect to u and v. If xy and uv are interchanged, you have to interchange xy and uv. Del xy by del uv, then it will be what? This Jacobian u and v, this Jacobian x and y. If x and y, u and v are interchanged, then you have to interchange on the right hand side also. Now for three variables, f1 is a function of xyz uvw, f2 is a function of xyz uvw, f3 is a function of xyz uvw. Okay, this is 3 by 3 variable problem. Then Jacobian of uvw with respect to xyz is equal to minus or minus 1 to the power 3 means minus 1. So del f1 f2 f3 by del xyz and del f1 f2 f3 by del uvw. Okay, in this way. So if uvw and xyz are interchanged, accordingly you have to interchange, you have to change xyz and uvw pair here also. Now very simple problem we are going to discuss. As I told you, the problems on Jacobian of implicit function will be less likely asked in the examination. But as a formality, I am taking one problem on this. See, this is an implicit function. Means u and v are not given in terms of x and y. The xy uv mixed. xy uv mixed. Here by definition, this implicit function, by definition, how to write? Minus 1 to the power 2 del f1 f2 by del xy. This is the first Jacobian divided by del f1 f2 means Jacobian of f1 f2 with respect to u and v. Now this equals minus 1 to the power 1 is 1, no need to write. Now this determinant is what? First row for f1, second row for f2, first row for f1 and second row for f2. Okay, now del f1 by del x, derivative of f1 with respect to x keeping other variable constant, derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of all other terms 0, derivative of f1 with respect to y, derivative of y square is 0 and derivative of other term will be, derivative of y square is 2y, derivative of other term will be 0. Now, derivative of f2, this is f1, let f1 is what? X square plus y square plus u square minus v square and f2 is what? uv plus x square. Okay, derivative of f2 with respect to x is what? Y only. derivative of f2 with respect to y is what? x1. This divided by derivative of f1 with respect to u. Derivative of f1 with respect to u is 2u. Derivative of f1 with respect to v is minus 2v. Derivative of f2 with respect to u is v, and derivative of f2 with respect to v is u. Okay, now this determinant is of 2x square minus 2y square. This divided by 2u square minus minus plus 2v square. 2 is common, it will get cancelled, and u square plus v square. This is the Jacobian of u and v with respect to x and y. Jacobian of u and v with respect to x and y. Now Jacobian of composite function. Jacobian of composite function. Jacobian of composite function. If u is a function of x and y, v is a function of x and y, and x and y are functions of r and theta. X and y are functions of r and theta. So there is a composition in the pair of uv and r theta. And if Jacobian of u and v with respect to r and theta we want, then Jacobian of u and v with respect to x and y, and Jacobian of x and y with respect to r and theta. Okay, this is the same composition what we have done in previous part, that is the partial differentiation of composite function. Now the problem of this formula is also important as an MCQ. X is given, y is given in terms of u and v, where a and b are constant, and u and v and u and v are functions of r and theta. Okay, here in this problem, so del xy by del r theta, del xy by del r theta is equal to this thing. It is also given. And the value of the product is asked. That's all. Okay, value of the product is asked. Means del xy by del r theta is what? Xy are composite function of r and theta. Means del xy by del uv means x and y are functions of u and v, and u and v are functions of r and theta. Okay, this composition. But here in this problem, del xy by del r theta means del xy by del uv is directly given. Del uv by del r theta means this Jacobian is directly given in terms of determinant. Okay, no need to calculate. If you calculate for this determinant you will get, for this determinant you will get. Then we are going to solve it. Okay, a into minus b is minus ab minus a into b multiplied by product of these two. 2r square into 2r is 4r cube. Cos is cos square to theta minus of 2r square into this is 4r cube. Okay, minus sign is there, and sin into sin is sin square. Sin square to theta. Now minus is common. Minus of 2ab you can write directly here, and 4r cube is constant. Cos square plus sin square minus minus plus is 1, and minus 8ab r cube is the value of this thing. Here in this problem also, here in this problem x, y, z are functions of u, v, w. You can easily find out value of this. Okay, this is for you. Del x, y, z by, because this is a problem of explicit function. Directly use definition of the Jacobian and try to find out for practice purpose. Here, see, f1 is a function of x, y, z, u, v, w. f2 is a function of x, y, z, u, v, w. f3 is a function of x, y, z, u, v, w. Okay, here del u, v, w by del x, y, z is asked. Okay, this is a problem of implicit function. Del u, v, w by del x, y, z is asked. But value of this is given. No need to calculate. Value of this is also given here, then value of del u v w by del x y z, here I am writing, see, del u v w by del x y z. Okay, this is implicit function problem. Therefore, minus 1 to the power 3 del f1 f2 f3 by del x y z. This is the Jacobian divided by del f1 f2 f3 divided by del u v w. Okay, this is Jacobian and this is Jacobian. But value of this is given. Value of this is what? This one. And value of f1 f2 f3 by del u v w is also given. Then finally the value of minus 1 to the power 3 is minus del f1 f2 f3 by del x y z is given, is a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. It is given to you, and divided by value of this Jacobian is also given, u minus v, w minus u, and v minus d. Okay. So this is the answer. This is the answer to this one, because value of Jacobian are directly given. So these are the problems on Jacobian we discussed. We stop here. Thank you very much.